Grandma? Grandma! Grandma, be careful! What? Hey!
Yeah. Are you okay?
I'm fine, thanks.
But are you my fiancé?
Fiancé, thank you for saving me, but repaying you with my marriage, this old trick is a bit too much, isn't it? Contact my assistant. He'll give you a reward. As for being the fiancé, don't even think about it.
I'm sorry. I got the wrong person.
Boss, the old lady is in the company.
Grandma, are you okay? I'll take you to the hospital for a checkup.
I am fine. Your fiancée, I've picked one for you. She's a sign language using construction worker. She's waiting for you at the construction site. Come with me to meet her.
Hey, Grandma. I don't want to get married yet. You must go.
I've given her the family heirloom. She's part of our Song family now.
What? You gave the 2 billion worth family heirloom to her? Oh, Grandma. Yeah, Qi. Take Grandma to the hospital for a check-up, okay?
Why isn't he here yet? Almost the interview later. Are you the one who's engaged to me?
Couldn't be,
Are you a construction worker here, Grandma?
Oh, no. I'm just passing by. Okay. Go for the interview first. Come back later. Grandma, I have an interview. I'll leave first. Meet here later. Here's my contact info.
Sure.
This woman dared to lie to Grandma.
I heard the old lady invited the boss back to force him to get married.
I heard that too. It is said that they'll pick one from the company.
Then it must be Sister Xiaoxiao. Sister Xiaoxiao. If you become the boss's wife, don't forget to promote us.
Stop joking. Get ready for the interview.
Sorry, I am late. Here is my resume.
The interview starts now. Those whose names are called come up and show your talent. Jiang Caiwei.
Hello, interviewer. My name is Jiang Caiwei. Today, I am ready to dance. I'll go prepare first.
若有人兮山之阿，披靡的兮带雨落，饥寒的兮有一笑，子母于兮山窈窕，振翅抱兮从万里，兮者兮皆归期，披石兰兮带杜衡，这方兮兮为所思，欲出有黄兮，出
This girl is so pretty. Look at those guys. They're all stunned. If she gets in, will the boss take a fancy to her?
Maybe. Not only men I'm attracted to her too. Stop! No need to dance. You failed the interview. Get out. Hey!
Why? What did I do wrong?
You're way too trashy. Our company doesn't hire that type. You're not fit with more at home in the red light district. Next one.
Who do you think you are? How dare you insult me?
Because I am the interviewer, the HR director of YOLO, and you are just a worthless college girl. How dare you yell at me? Do you believe I'll get you blacklisted?
Across the industry? I am not. So what if you are the interviewer? Are you sure, right? Can you just insult people at will? I want you to apologize to me.
Who do you think you are? Just a lousy streamer? You want me to apologize to you?
So what if she's a streamer? Is being a streamer inferior to others? Aren't we all working hard for our our dreams and livelihoods. There is no hierarchy.
Stupid from reading too many books. Let me tell you today, people are divided into different classes. Are just inferior.
If I remember correctly, YOLO is a top-tier entertainment company in China. It's expected to invest $1 billion this year to promote the live streaming industry. As the HR director of YOLO, what gives you the right to look down on streamers?
That's true. Why do you insult people like this?
That's right! We're here for our dreams, not some bad girl. Don't want the interview?
Don't want it? Then get out with her. You are here for a streamer job. Aren't you just here to make quick money? Stop pretending. With your looks and figure, you do well in the red light district.
Get out. Let me tell you, I am not that kind of person. If you don't apologize to me today, I am not leaving.
You're getting feisty, huh? You want me to apologize to you? Do you deserve it?
Apologize to her.
Did you hear that? Our boss wants you to apologize to me.
I am let you to apologize to her right now.
Boss, she's just a female college student here for an interview. And I am the HR director of YOLO. You want me to apologize to her?
If you don't want to apologize, get out of the company right now.
Sorry. Please forgive me.
You passed the interview. Start working today.
This woman.
Have you found her, Mario? No, there is no surveillance there. If only we had a photo of her.
Maybe I'll ask the old lady, what does the other person look like?
No. If Grandma knows she's been cheated, she'll be furious.
I heard from Madam that she gave your supplementary card to her. Whenever she uses it, we can instantly track their location.
Okay. You Europe boy in charge of this. Make sure to get back my Song family heirloom jade pendant. Yeah.
Hello, everyone. I am a new streamer. I'll perform a dance for you. Hope you'll follow me. Thanks.
Her single session assessment target is 1 million virtual gifts.
1 million? She's just a new streamer. It's impossible for her to achieve.
I want her to fail the task and leave obediently. The sponsor perhaps make sure she uses them all.
Next, here comes the last punishment.
How's the data? The data's not bad.
But if you want to reach 1 million, it's absolutely impossible.
It'd be best if she fails.
Just get her out of here.
Wait a sec.
Someone's sending her carnivals, and not just one. Thanks to across time and space for sending 100 carnivals. Space.
100 carnivals, boss. Don't tell me you've fallen for her. She helped me this morning. Just repaying the favor. You got nothing better to do. Hello? Hello, Mr. Liu. I am here.
Grandpa's critically ill? Okay, I'll be right there. Hey, Sister Xiao, hurry up!
Hello, newbie. Get out.
Why should I get out? I was the first one in. I'm in a hurry. I don't care what your hurry is.
I am the supervisor. Newbie, don't you know the rules? Get out. Right.
What's Sister Xiao's status? What she wants?
Get out. Can you do that faster? Don't waste everyone's time. Get out and wait for the next elevator. Come on.
Oh, get out of here. Let me in.
Since you are in a hurry, just wait patiently.
What are you doing here?
I am in a hurry. That's why. What's going on? Let me out! Is anyone there? Let me out! Is anyone there?
Call.
No, I can't be stuck here. My grandpa's in the hospital. I have to get to the hospital quickly.
Elevator number. One is out of order. Send someone to fix it right away, don't worry. I'll take you to the hospital later.
She can also do sign. She can also sign.
Your fiancée. I've picked one for you. She can sign. She's a construction worker.
But she's not a construction worker. It should just be a coincidence.
How was your grandpa?
He's been saved. Thanks for bringing me here. Thanks.
It's okay. You've helped me too. Have something to eat. Thanks. But by the way, you can sign now.
Oh, my grandpa is deaf and mute. I've learned a little, but not much.
Oh. Then have a good rest. I'll need first feed it.
Grandma, I went there that day, but I didn't see anyone. Liar.
You didn't Urich did you?
Not mine to you, Grandma. Go to bed early. I'll hang up first.
How could I forget this?
Ouch. Why isn't he coming? Forget it. Wait a little longer. After all, I've taken the money.
Grandma, you girl. You've been waiting here all day.
Oh, no, I didn't wait all day. Yeah, I left my phone number, then I went for an interview, but he hasn't contacted me yet.
It's not your fault. It must be that brat didn't come at all. Let's go. I'll take you to find him.
Huh? Oh.
Brad, open the door. Brad, open the door. Grandma, I'm taking a shower.
This voice sounds so familiar.
Hey, Grandma, I've already said I am taking a shower.
Grandma, how about we just leave right away? Who's outside?
Granddaughter in law.
Grandma, I am not going to marry her. I won't marry her. He's a liar. Tell her to give back the family heirloom. You lying woman outside. I advise you to give back the stuff and get out.
Your grandma said, whether you want to get married or not, you have to live with me for 3 months to build up some feelings first. If it doesn't work out, then forget it. Otherwise, she'll cut off relations with you.
Oh, Grandma. Okay, I'll agree. But you can't live in the same room with me.
This woman just moved in and started doing these little tricks.
Once the 3-month period is up, leave right away. You can keep the money, but the family jade pendant must be returned. I want to see the jade pendant tomorrow morning also. During the cohabitation, don't come upstairs to bother me. Stop currying favor with me.
날 깨워줄 그대가 없는 곳에 나 멈춰서 널 기다리고
Remember to have breakfast.
Still trying to curry favor.
She also lives nearby.
He also lives nearby. Boss, good morning. Get in the car. I'll give you a ride.
No thanks.
The subway station is right ahead.
Get in the car. Okay.
Secretary Yue, good morning.
Oh, this pie is for my fiancé, but I'm not sure about men's tastes. How about... Boss, could you taste it for me?
It's for your fiancé. It's for your fiancé.
Oh, what's up?
Nothing, Aaron. Gotcha.
Thanks, boss. What's going on? Jiang Caiwei actually got out of the boss's car. Could it be... Is Jiang Caiwei the one the old lady chose for the boss?
No way! That woman? How could she possibly be good enough for the boss? Secretary Wei heard the old lady is going to choose a fiancé for the boss in the company.
Why do you ask this?
Oh, the people in the mail asked me to inquire. Is it Jiang Caiwei?
It's not Jiang Caiwei. The boss's fiancé has been chosen by the old lady. Tell them to focus on their work.
Chosen? Who is it?
Never seen her? All I know is she works on a construction site. The boss doesn't seem to like her very much.
Doesn't like her? Then I still have a chance.
What? You want me to buy clothes for that woman? I need to have dinner with her.
All right, Grandma. I got it. Help me pick a set of women's clothes. Send them to my place.
The restaurant is booked. Okay, I know.
Jiang Caiwei. You girls understand girls better. Help me take a look. Which of these two sets is better?
This one.
Okay. Tux.
어두운 불빛 아래 좁은 듯한
This dress looks exactly like the one Secretary Yue asked me to pick out for her. Is it in fashion recently?
Sister Xiao, don't worry. I'll definitely help you get rid of that woman. Kick her out. The one who deserves the boss is only you. Sister Xiao, that country bumpkin. Can't compare with you. Jiang Caiwei, is it that unlimited edition custom-made skirt? That woman? How can she afford it?
Maybe it's her top fan who bought it for her. For live streamers, it's always like this. Her account is now managed by you. Yes. Contact a top fan to meet her. The company forbids live streamers to meet fans privately. As long as we take pictures of her meeting a fan privately, she'll definitely be fired.
You pretty lady.
Hello, are you my fiancé?
Fiance, I like this title, honey. I love you so much. Come on, give me a hug.
Hey, you! What are you doing?
Honey, don't be shy. Come on, give me a kiss.
Let go of me!
This is the fiancé grandma picked when we saw in the street.
Let go of me! Although we're fiancé and fiancée, but you can't do this to me in public. Please respect me.
I've spent so much on you. What's wrong with a kiss? I'll give the card back to you.
Then I'll return the card to you. No. The money in the card, I haven't spent a cent. Sorry, I can't accept it. My fiancé is such a person. Now that I found a job, I'll earn Grandpa's surgery fee with my own hands. It's okay. It's just being kicked out. It's okay.
You're being strange. The amulet Grandpa gave me.
Something's wrong.
Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door!
Take your stuff. Get out of here right now. You are such a woman with warped values. You are not worthy of entering my Song family's home.
My values are warped! Who on earth is what value of yourself? I returned it all to you. I haven't spent a single cent of yours. Why do you have to say that about me? Come on, open the door. If you've got the guts, face me.
I've said it before. You are not worthy of entering my Song family's home.
Saying you haven't spent my money. You were so quick to tell lies.
Open the door. I still have stuff inside the room. Please, open the door. I'll pick it and leave.
上去过来吃吃去。
要不然 Let life of dish.
What's that noise?
It's my wolf ball. If you don't want to get bitten, get out of here now.
Huh?
Michael, come here. Okay, I found the document.
Why do you look like this? Your fiance kicked you out. Is he even a man?
Boss,
Honestly, at the company for one night.
Theater company.
I have nowhere else to go. Before graduation, I lived on campus. After that, I accompanied my grandpa in the hospital. I didn't have time to rent a place.
You are homeless. And he still kicked you out.
Actually, being kicked out isn't a big deal. But my grandpa got me a safety amulet, and it's still in the room. He just won't open the door for me. It was given to me by my grandpa.
慢慢累积，走不完整的旋律。我一贯的小心翼翼，现在却想要告诉你。
Don't cry.
I'll
help you get back.
Really?
Really? After you finish eating, I'll go with you to see him. Okay.
像迷途的旅人到达了目的地。
Turn right up ahead.
Okay. This way.
Your fiancée. Not you.
This is my place.
Boss, good morning.
Her fiancé also lives nearby. He shouldn't have arrived yet.
What's next? Jiang Caiwei. Jiang Caiwei.
Has a fever. That woman was wearing the same outfit.
Bossy, you've worked hard, by the way.
The clothes she's wearing.
They're the same ones you picked out for that woman.
Same style.
Exactly this set. It should be the same style. The clothes of your fiancée, Jiang Caiwei helped me pick it. Turns out, she has the same one. No wonder she recommended this style.
Okay, got it. Go back first.
Yes. What am I thinking? There is no way such a coincidence.
Grandma, I am okay. Just have a fever.
No, don't come to see.
I'll get better soon. You are awake. Sorry to trouble you last night.
You didn't trouble me. I don't think so. You are not the trouble.
Huh? Oh. Actually, you don't have to care about me.
You are my employee. It's right to care about you. Today's leave, I've already asked for it for you. Take a day off, then go back to the company.
Thanks.